This week, we celebrate extraordinary Professor Chinyere Stella Okunna, Nigeria's first female professor of mass communication, whose pioneering contributions continue to shape both academia and public service. Born in Oga, Anambra State, Professor Okunna began her academic journey at the Institute of Management and Technology, Enugu, where she taught from 1981 to 1994. She later joined Nnamdi Azikiwe University's Mass Communication Department, where a remarkable career reached new heights. As Nigeria's first female professor in mass communication, a groundbreaking achievement that would remain unmatched for 12 years. In addition to her academic accomplishments, Professor Okunna served as the first female dean of Faculty of Social Sciences at Nnamdi Azikiwe University from 2016 to 2019, during which she oversaw the launch of postgraduate programs and a Professional Diploma in journalism, further cementing her legacy. Influence extended beyond the classroom as well. From 2006 to 2014, Professor Okunna served as the Commissioner for the Ministry of Information and Culture, using a public service role to advocate for community development and foster deeper connections between academia and government. With numerous scholarly works, including books, articles, and conference papers, Professor Okunna has left an indelible mark on the field of mass communication. Any recognition from various organizations, her legacy is one of groundbreaking achievements, relentless dedication, and unwavering commitment to empowering future generations. We salute Professor Chinyere Stella Okunna for her trailblazing leadership and lasting impact on Nigeria's academic and public service landscapes.